friends, welcome back to my channel after 2 long weeks. It's two. It's not two, it's two. TWO2. Two. Okay girls, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, then I am Pooja Ananda. I make videos on skincare and makeup. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do it. And also hit the notification bell. Follow me on my Instagram. I will leave my Insta handle somewhere on this screen. Now today's video is going to be all about this Navratri look. So what I have planned is I will post 9 different Navratri looks according to color. For example, कल ग्रे कलर है तो आई विल पोस्ट अ वीडियो फॉर दैट मेकअप लुक 1 डे प्रायर, जैसे आज मैं पोस्ट कर रही हूँ एंड कल ग्रे कलर है. Got it. Okay, and along with that I'll also try and show you the hairstyle, very basic simple hairstyle. For that I will try, because I am not good at hairstyle, so I'll do something basic and show you all guys. So now without wasting any time, we'll see how to achieve this look. Let's go. Before starting my makeup, I'm going to tie my hair up so that it should not bother me when I do my makeup. For moisturizer, I'm going to use Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. So this moisturizer is really great before starting your makeup, as it gives that smooth canvas to work on. So on day-to-day basis, I don't like to use primer. Instead, I use aloe vera gel, especially on my T-zone, as it gets oily really very faster. Now I'm going to hide my blemishes or spots that I have on my cheeks. I'll take the concealer and dab it on my cheeks and hide it. So for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. It's a matte plus poreless foundation. I'm going to dot the foundation all around my face and also my neck. Never forget to apply your foundation on your neck, as it will differ your body and face color. I'm using my finger to blend the foundation. I prefer using finger as I feel it gives me better control on my products and also doesn't waste my product. Now for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium Wear. So I'll put all the product details in the description box below and also on the screen. So I like my concealer to be 1 or 2 shades lighter, as I like my under eyes to be brightened and it gives me that fresh look. So I'm applying my concealer under my eyes, on my eyelid, as I am going to do eyeshadow look today. Little bit on my forehead, nose and my chin as well. So always remember, you have to dab your concealer and you don't have to spread it, because you have to hide the blemishes or dark circles or anything that you have on your face. So just dab your concealer on your face and cover all the things or blemishes that you have. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to brush my eyebrows first, as it gives me a nice shape. Black and thick eyebrows, so I don't have to work too much on my eyebrows. I just fill my brows, I follow the natural line of my brows and brush them off. Always remember, after you apply the pigment, brush your eyebrows and it will remove all the excess product or pigment that you have. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I am going to make a smoky gray and black eyeshadow look for Color Essence palette. So first start with the basic matte black shade from any of your palette. Apply it on to your outer corners just to give that definition. The base. Spread the black eyeshadow only in the outer corner of your eye and blend it inside. Push the eyeshadow inside and give that faded wing effect It will help you further when you apply your wing liner. Okay, so now I'm going to use this gray eyeshadow shade here. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. Be very careful as it's a little shimmer, or you can say little bit of shiny shade. So I'll apply this gray eyeshadow all over my lid. Okay. So now I am going to take black eyeshadow from the same palette and going around on that same black eyeshadow that we have applied before the gray one. I'm taking this black eyeshadow and moving it inwards to and also on my crease, like the crease line, so that it should blend it together. Now I'll blend the eyeshadow together and take it inside, as I said, from the crease. It gave me a hollow and that blended look. Blend the gray and black eyeshadow together. Now with this thin flat brush, take black eyeshadow or gray eyeshadow and apply it under your eyes. Apply a little bit under your eyes onto the corners. Now I'm taking this plum kajal and applying it on my upper waterline, as it will give me that fine liner look. So for liner, I'm using Lakme Insta Liner. I love this liner. I prefer this liner on any other liners. So I want to make a wing here, a really long wing. So first I will make a thick line on my eyelid, on my lash line, and then I will extend that line and make a wing. This wing will be really long. After this, I'm going to use white kajal on my lower waterline. It will appear my eyes bigger, as I'm going to do a gray eyeshadow look, so white kajal or eyeliner will look really good. Now I'm going to use the same white eyeshadow from the same palette on my inner corners of my eyes and little bit on my brow bone and blend it nicely. Okay, so the eyeshadow look is done. It turned out really well, really nice. I love this eyeshadow look. Okay, so moving ahead, I am going to use this natural peachy blush. Actually, it's a random blush palette. There is no such brand to say, so you can use any peachy or pinkish blush that you have. Use a very little blush onto your cheeks, moving inside, inwards to your nose, and also apply your blush onto your nose and also a little bit on your forehead and blend it really nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes. You can totally skip this step, but I like. I'm going to use mascara, so always I use two coats of mascara. One I only use on my tips and second coat will be from the inside core of my lash. After this, I'm going to apply a lip balm. It's a Neutrogena lip balm with SPF something. I will just put it on the screen. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this beautiful purple kind of a shade. It's more towards warm purple kind of a shade. And then I'll use this L18 brown lipstick. It's a brown lipstick. I'm going to just put this lipstick over the purple shade. It will give me a nice shade. I don't know what this shade really becomes, but it is really nice. So after this, I'm going to line my lips, as it is really very important to give the definition and proper shape to your lips. Be very careful. You should not overline your lips, as it will look really very bad. So I didn't had any silver or something that sort of highlighter. So instead I used the white color from the same color essence palette as my highlighter, and it turned quite good. It is not amazing. I won't say it is amazing, but it turned really good. After this, for that Navratri Garba look, I am going to use the Insta liner and dot it on my face. I have used it on my chin, near my eyes, one side of my eyes. I made this line with 4-5 dots, and I have made bindi with this. I have made this 2-3 lines, vertical lines below each other, and then I made this 4 dot thing on my chin, you can see. And yes, it is done. This look turned out really good. So as I said, for hairstyle I'll be very basic. I'm going to take some portion of my hair from the front and going to tie it behind. I'm going to secure my hair with the tic tac pins, 2 tic tac pins. For Navratri, always remember you should have a little bit of messy hair. Yes, it should be set tamed, but it should be little bit of messy hair, because you play Garba, you mess your hair and it looks good. So girls, I hope you like this look. I hope you love this look, and if you try this look, then do tag me on Instagram, post your pictures and tag me on it, and also comment down below for your feedback. I love you all. Keep dancing, keep playing garbas at home. Be safe. Bye.